before we jump into this video, I've got to give a big shout out to SimpliSafe for sponsoring this video, guys. Big shout out. They really hooked us up today with the Keypad, the smart lock, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, the base station, of course, the SimpliCam video doorbell, the SimpliCam. We've got tons of glass break, panic, entry, water detection, freeze detection, motion detection, key fobs. We got the yard sign. We got the stickers to put on your doors. We've got the instruction manual. Let's get into it. So what is SimpliSafe? SimpliSafe is an incredibly effective, reliable home security that will make sure your home is safe and it's intuitive to use, because if I can install it and use it, believe you me, so can you. When there's a break-in, SimpliSafe's alarms receive the highest priority police dispatch because their security specialists provide real eyewitness evidence to the police department. The SimpliSafe specialists can notify police if an intruder is in the house, if they are armed, and what they're doing, which results in 3.5 times faster dispatches and more crimes stopped. SimpliSafe protects your entire home inside and out. Outside, the video doorbell and the HD cameras alert you to anyone approaching your home, and the smart locks and entry sensors guard the perimeter. Inside, there's a layer of motion plus glass break sensors plus privacy protecting cameras provide another layer of protection. The system is equipped for worst case scenarios and will still work even if you lose power, Wi-Fi, or the system is attacked. Plus, SimpliSafe protects your home from fires, water damage, carbon monoxide, and more. SimpliSafe is the #1 expert recommended home security. The Verge says it's the best home security system. PC Magazine named it their editor's choice. CNET says it's reliable, comprehensive coverage at an outstanding value. And police departments use it across the country. And over 3 million people are relying on SimpliSafe every day. And if you're wondering how much all this costs, listen, folks, I've used some of the other people out there, and you're locked into contracts. The prices are not good. This, 50 cents a day, no contracts. You can cancel anytime. And for those of you wondering how difficult this system is to install, it's really as simple as peel and stick. Look at that. Now watch when I open the door. Bingo. That simple. So to start out, we've got the SimpliSafe home base right here. We also got these key fobs. These key fobs are cool because
SimpliSafe on. Home. Alarm off.
Right? All right. Key fob. You could walk up to the house where if you're in like 200 feet of this thing, you can use this. Of course, you've got your app. And as you can see, the app is going off because I'm playing with the alarm. SimpliSafe alerts me immediately. We've got the SimpliSafe camera right here that's got a wide field of vision and motion detecting to see what's going on in your house. Man, so you can lock and unlock from anywhere using your phone. When you're closer to the house, you can use your key fob. Very cool. Camera. Then we've got the keypad right here, okay? Obviously, I'm not going to show you my PIN, but there you go. You can set up everything from this keypad right here, just like this. Very simple. Turn it off.
Alarm off.
Oh, and don't forget the doorbell. Next, we have the pin pad, which is probably difficult to see, but we've got there it goes. We've got a lock button here. You can lock it on your way out. Okay, now check it out. Locked. All right, now I'm going to unlock it by entering my PIN. Boom. Done. You come over here. We've got another motion sensor over there as well. I've got a smoke alarm that I'd already set up in this house, so that's an old school one. We have a smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector. Actually, it could be, I don't know which is which. One of these is smoke alarm. I think that's smoke alarm. I believe that's a carbon monoxide detector. It's really cool because if you come up here and you were to pull it off, listen.
Warning. Carbon monoxide detector is not attached to its bracket.
Carbon monoxide detector is not attached to its bracket. Okay, ultimate smart home security system, man. This thing is crazy. I've got my thermostat right here, which is at 71 degrees. This is your SimpliSafe basically freeze warning. I put it right here next to the thermostat, so if it gets below freezing, I'm gonna get a notification on my phone. Guys, we have a glass break sensor in that room over there. Now listen, this lock is super important because the majority of break-ins are people entering through unlocked entry points in your home or business. This lock is designed so you can make sure your door is locked even if you've forgotten to lock it. It will automatically lock on a timer as well as when you arm your system. So this is super important right here, guys. Also, unlocking the door automatically disarms your system. Your SimpliSafe lock right here is attached to your system. You can program it in this keypad right here. These things communicate with each other, as does everything else. I don't have the best internet in this house, guys, but I don't have to worry, because even if the internet is crappy, even if the internet goes out, boom, this thing has got service regardless, whether a power outage or what happens, I'm covered. Please do me a favor, support the sponsors that support this channel and visit www.simplisafe.com/AAR. That is www.simplisafe.com/AAR. I am speaking from personal experience here. When I had my alarm system from another company set up in the shop that I used to have, the cost monthly was ridiculous, guys. I mean, it was ridiculous for the most basic monitoring. The most basic, we didn't have cameras or anything. The cost of this system, I would have gone out and paid my own money for this in a heartbeat, because it still would have been cheaper than using the other person's system and paying for the monthly monitoring as well. So I can't thank SimpliSafe enough. Remember, www.simplisafe.com/AAR. Go check them out. Get yourself secured today.